Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well today. Today I'm going to show you guys my hairstyle tutorial, what I've been doing for the spring and summertime. This is like my strong hold, but looks like you have no product on your hair hairstyle. Yeah, really easy, super quick, very much requested. And I should have done this actually when I recently just cut my hair because the fade would be much more noticeable. It's a little going out now, but it's all good. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. All right, let's get to it. So my hair is pretty much already like 80% dry. I like to do it when it's about, yeah, like 80% dry, kind of still a little bit damp, but more on the dry side. I just feel like this way, my hair holds, or the product holds better on my hair. It just lasts pretty much all day. People ask me all the time, like, how do you keep your hair like that? I remember in the Philadelphia trip when we were there about 2 weeks ago, one of the marketing managers was like, how do you keep your hair up? I don't know, for me when I style my hair with when it's still wet, it just kind of like just dies down a little bit. So first product that I use, this is like my holy grail. I've talked about this for years. I'm sure you guys are annoyed about this, but it works. Like I've gotten so many people turned on to this. So I use Big Sexy Hair Powder Play. They have another one that is from Matrix L'Oreal. It is called the Shaper, I believe. I will link both of them below. They both work exactly the same. Matrix is a little more affordable, but I have this one in hand today, so I'm gonna use it. So yeah, it's perfect. So I'm gonna do I actually do a quite generous amount. So I have a good amount right here. Now, rule of thumb, you guys, always start in the back. And I like to do this right on the back part of the hair. And I just massage it. You can massage it right on the scalp. And this just automatically, you try it at home. It creates like a really nice hold and texture. And it's just like really gritty, but not in a bad way. And this product is like, I really don't know what I do without it. So I just do a little more right here on top. This looks really funny, but I go like this, do a little 90s alfalfa. All I need is there you go. As you guys can see that. Then I just massage it on the scalp. I see some dudes on YouTube and they do their hair in feels like forever. I do my hair in 8 minutes, exactly 8 minutes. Then I'm gonna do a little more right here. A tad more right here. I'm running out of this product. Fun fact, I'm not getting paid whatsoever, but Big Sexy Hair was the first ever company of any sort that reached out to me when I first started YouTube, and they sent me a big old box of goodies. I was just freaking out because I actually buy these with my own money, so I was like, thank you. All right, so as you can see, my hair is pretty much ready for the product. So what I use, I shout out you guys, favorite product at the moment, Chapter, which is an awesome product. And this is actually by Carlos Roberto and Jordan O'Brien. If you guys know who they are, I'm sure you guys know who they are. Really good friends of mine, super awesome guys. And they sent me this about 2 months ago and I haven't stopped using it. I was I texted them right away or messaged them right away. I was like, dude, this product is really good. And I'm not just saying it because it's from you guys, but it's awesome. So, and it smells really good too. So it looks like a little, it almost looks like cement, but it works. So I just do 1 tablespoon, okay, I'm not cooking, 1 fingertip worth like that. I just kind of warm it up in my hands. Always start from the back. The worst thing is when you have product and clumps in the front of the hair and you look at the back and it's just dry, it's just not a good look, you guys. So then I go like that, and then I just start kind of adding it to the front part of my hair. Fingers are your best friend when it comes to hairstyles, you guys. You don't need no fancy combs unless you're doing... How have you guys been, by the way? How's everything out there in the world? Really, let me know how everything's been. And I have a question for you guys now that we're talking here. So I think I want to change my hairstyle. What do you guys think I should do? Should I keep it like this? Is it a good look? Or should I do I kind of want to do long shaggy hair like that, or just how I used to have it, a nice little side thing like that, or dye it gray, but too much maintenance. So I'm grabbing a little more of the Chapter styling cream because I just need a little bit more on the the back ends of the hair. Just go like that. You guys, I feel like I suck at doing tutorials, hair tutorials. That's why I stopped doing them. I used to do so many on my hair. I used to do so many hair tutorials on my hair. I used to do a lot of hair tutorials on my channel, but I feel I'm do people really like watching this? But I mean, a lot of people do like them. So, I mean, let me know if I should do more because I would be down. So as you can see, I'm kind of doing this little weird, bend over, I guess you can call it that. Go like that. I like manipulating the hair. Just kind of just fixing the back ends of the hair. And I also like to separate the front hairs like that, just to make it more textured. And last step, this is optional, but I use the Bedhead Hard Hold Hairspray. This is the sample size, or the travel size. So just go like that, just really light. You don't need much with this, because what happens is, when I do too much hairspray, it actually tends to weigh your hair down. So it's too hard that it just kind of like holds it down or weighs it down. So there you have it, guys. That is my current hairstyle tutorial, what I do for my hair routine, whatever you want to call it, with these awesome products right here. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see any other video like this, any tutorial you would like me to try out, anything else you would like me to do next with hair. Let me know in the comments. I hope you guys take care. Have a great week. I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.
No.